and also in Washington State. This evening's anthems take on special significance. Tonight, help us pay tribute to our neighbors to the north and to the people of Marysville, Washington. Our thoughts and prayers are with them. Please remain standing. Kindly remove your caps and join us for the singing of O Canada, followed by the Star Spangled Banner, as performed this evening by Jake Schroeder.
True patriot love in our son's command. With glowing hearts we see thee rise, the true north strong and free. From far and wide, O Canada, we stand on guard for thee. God keep our land glorious and free. Oh, Canada, we stand on guard for thee. Oh, Canada, we stand on guard for thee. Oh, stay, can you see by the dawn's early light what so proudly we hail at the twilight's last gleaming, whose broad stripes and bright stars through the perilous fight o'er the ramparts we watched were so gallantly streaming, and the rockets went there, the bombs were singing in, gave proof through the night that our